guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kadeja, and today we are back with another hair tutorial for you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's move along to the video. For today's video, I will be installing a unit from Luvme here. This is their packaging. We did receive some goodies in our package today. So this is the unit that we will be installing today. This is their 5x5 glueless closure loose wave unit. And this one is actually their sun-kissed brown highlighted unit. This one that I'm installing today, it's 18 inches long and it's given us a really nice vibe. It's pre-cut already, pre-styled, but it does have the free parting just in case you want to do the side part or however you want to style your unit. This one came with the combs inside and the breathable lace along with the adjustable band. The unit came pre-bleached, pre-styled, ready to wear. It's 100% glueless. This is it. Super bouncy, really nice soft curls, and I believe the density on this one is 180%. This is it. I'll be leaving the link in my description, so go ahead and check out my description and make your purchase. Go ahead and check out Luvme here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and move along to the I already have my hair braided and my wig cap on. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation to my wig cap and my lace, and then we put our wig on. Looks like now that we put it on, again, it's 100% glueless. This is it. Super soft. The unit is very bouncy actually. Let's go ahead and finish styling our unit. All right, guys, so this is the final look. This is it. I absolutely love how this turned out. It's super cute. I love the color on this unit, and I did baby hairs on this unit. I wasn't going to, but I love how it brings out the unit so much better. Like, it's giving us a really nice cute look, like right now, dress up and go to the club kind of look. This is it. The curls, the hair, the style, everything is just gorgeous. This is the unit. I absolutely love this unit. But this is the final look. I absolutely love how this turned out. Like the curls, the style, the hair itself is just giving us such a gorgeous finish. This is it. I feel like I should dress up and go to the club or go out to eat something. Like, this hair shouldn't just be done and I'm not going anywhere. Like, it's giving us a really pretty finish. This is what it's looking like. Like, it's giving us a sexy vibe. Like, that's what I'm getting from this right now. Like, this is it. I love everything about this unit. Like the way it installs, the curls, the bounce, the volume, the style, the color, everything about this unit is a 10 out of 10. Like, this is it. Again, Luvme Hair sent us another one of their units and it's a 10. I love it. This is their sun-kissed brown highlighted unit, and it's a 5x5 closure, and it comes pre-styled, pre-cut, ready to wear. It can be worn as a glueless unit. It can be 100% glueless. This is what is giving us a really nice finish. If you want to get this unit, go ahead and check out the link in my description to make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from Luvme Hair, go ahead and check out my description. This is where I'm leaving you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave some comments down below. Let me know how you feel about this unit. And most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.